Welcome back, Truck and Riders. Today we are going to see yet another interesting products from Truck and Ride. These are our hydration bag. We have two models. This is our 3-liter hydration bag and this is our 2-liter hydration bag. Let's see each one in detail. This is our Neo hydration bag. This is a 2-liter pack. This is the sleekest among these two. It got a main compartment like this. So you can open it here, and the main compartment given a small lock like this. So with the lock you can open the bladder out, and this is our bladder. It's a TPU bladder, food grade, BPA free, and this has got a big wide cap, so that it's easy to pour water and clean the stuff inside. This is the 2-liter one. It's easy to open and close. And for full cleaning, even you can open the bottom part of the bladder. This thread type tube. You can remove it fully if you want. Like this, you can remove it fully. Just tighten it after cleaning. So let's take it out, this guy. So this is the bladder, and the bladder got the mouth piece like this. It is sealed. So just open it for your understanding. So this got, if you look at carefully, it got an opening like this. If you want to drink water, you need to bite here, so that this small opening will open, and then you can drink water. Before that, ensure that the bladder mouth is in the on position. This position only water will pass through, and if it is closed, water will not come. This is the open position. Let's see how to keep it in the bag. So as I shown you this one, the main compartment is like this. You can just after filling water, this can hold about 2 liters of water. You just put it like this in the bag, and to keep this in position, there's a small velcro strap on the top here. So here, this one you can lock it through the small velcro strap here. You can attach it like this, so that the bladder won't slip inside. It will be staying in the same position. So once you keep the bladder inside, so once you insert the bladder, the pipe, water pipe, you can just take it through here. There's a slot here, so it will come outside like this. Then you can close the small zip, and for top closure, there's a small velcro is given. It's closed. So this pipe is like this. This pipe can come like this, or the other side also, whichever comfortable for you. You can either take it through left side or the right side. So that is one thing. Small pouch here. This is ideal for storing some small stuff, your document, wallets, a power bank or charger, those stuff. You can keep it. Also, we had given a mesh pocket here. So also you can have some small items to you can slide it in. So coming to the back side strap, this is got a adjuster here. So let's see how to wear this bag on your body. So this got 2 levels of adjustment. First one is a waist strap like this. You can tighten it. Then also comes with the chest strap like this. This also got adjuster here, elastic here, so it will fit you perfectly. And this side strap also, if you want to loosen or tighten, you can do this. So this length of this pipe, different ways you can manage. We have given a slot like this here, so you can take it through this and lock it here. So when you're riding, this will be the position. And if you want to drink water, You just take it out, zip it and put it back. If you are wearing a jacket, on top of the jacket also you can put this one. So this pipe even can go inside your jacket zip. So that's about it. The final look and feel once you wear it. The back side view, the side strap. This is the view of this bag. It will be nice fit on your body while riding or cycling. This is a very compact bag, even for trail running, ultra marathon, you can use this one. Now let's see the 3 liter one. This is our 3 liter model. It's called Trailblazer. This is slightly bigger and got multiple pockets compared to the 2 liter model. Let's see one by one the main features. This is the main opening here. It's a lock here. And this is the bladder. Like the 2 liter one, this also got a lock here. So you have to open the Velcro strap. Then you can take the bladder out. So it's almost similar to the 2 liter one. Only thing is that capacity is 3 liter. Otherwise same kind of cap, same kind of tube, thread type tube on the bottom. So it's a 3 liter capacity one. The other one was 2 liter capacity. So you insert this one. Then you put that small Velcro strap lock here on the cap of the bladder, so it will be in position. Then you can, for additional security, you can just put this strap here, tighten it. Once you fill water, this will be the position. So now after filling this one, show you how to take the tube out. Mouth of the tube is also similar to the 2 liter one. You have to just pull it open and then bite it so that you can drink water. Taking this out from the bag, this bag also got a slot here, so you can take it through that slot, top of your shoulder like this. Similar portion is on the other side also, so either left side or right side you can take it out. And then a small elastic here just to keep it in position. So in the front side, this once you close it, the main compartment is closed. Now we have given small compartment like this. This one can hold slightly bigger items. Here one compartment is here, then one more here on the bottom, mesh pouches inside, and another mesh compartment here with the central zip. So compared to the 2 liter bag, this can hold more stuff. So because of that, this is an ideal for motorcycle touring. Full day ride, you can carry 3 liter water. You don't have to refill most of the time. Also, suppose you are going for a day hike, one day trekking kind of a thing, you should be able to manage. If you are going in the morning and coming back in the evening, little bit of snacks, your power bank, battery, all other mobile accessories, and the water you can carry. So much more sleeker bag. Unless you are camping somewhere, this is sufficient for a day kind of a trekking. I forgot to show you one more compartment on the back side of this bag. This is a Velcro, this thing here, so that it is secured fully. This is another sleeve here, again slightly big size. You can fill some stuff here also in case you need it. So it is much more versatile in terms of storage capacity. And wearing this one, similar to the other one, it also comes with a waist belt. First you put that, then you can lock it here. Both side you can adjust this side like this. Elastic is there to keep it. Then there is the chest strap. The strap also got adjuster. You can move it up and down like this. Elastic is also there. Tighten it here. So this side one, again you can tighten it. Another interesting feature of this strap is that we are given a small Velcro on the bottom. So once you adjust the length of the strap, this extra piece you can just fold it like this, and the Velcro, you just close it like this. So this will be closer to the bag and it won't fly around in the wind. So you can do that one. So the extra length of the pipe, like earlier, we can slide it here, and the edge can be put it here. This will be the position once you fit everything. So overall look and feel will be like this for the 3-liter one. So hope you enjoyed this video. Let's catch up again with another interesting video next week.